Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to write a YouTube script with Google Gemini AI. So to start with, you can use Gemini to come up with topic ideas. So I've got a couple of prompts written down here that you can copy and paste as well. So the first one is suggest engaging YouTube channel topics for your niche. So I'm going to copy and paste that into Gemini, and I'm going to replace your niche with, let's say, a horror channel. Then I'm going to press enter, and Gemini will give me some topic ideas that I can use. So let's see what it says. So it's giving me some ideas. Number one, hyper-specific real-life encounters, deep dives into internet mysteries, horror kill accounts, modern folklore, and emerging faceless niches. Give me a couple of different ideas there. So the next prompt I'm going to use, I'm going to say, give me title ideas, and I'm going to choose one of the topics it's given me. So I'm going to copy and paste that in. So I'm going to choose, which one should I choose? So modern folklore stories. So give me 5 title ideas for number 4. I'm going to say modern folklore stories. And then it's going to come back with some title ideas for that topic. So what has it given me? The Bluetooth static, don't tag the third person, and a few different ones there. Then I'm going to look at my third prompt. So then I'm going to say, create a length, so like 5-minute YouTube script based on this topic. Then I'm going to add the title I like in. So I'm going to copy and paste that one in. So create. So for the length, I'm going to say 5 minutes. But obviously, you can put in however long you want your script to be. So create a 5-minute YouTube script based on, and I'm going to choose one of these titles. Obviously, if you don't like any of the titles it's given you, you can ask it again and keep going until you get something that you think is good. But I'm just going to choose one of these, the Bluetooth static, I'll say, and see what it comes up with. So I've got create a 5-minute video YouTube script based on this topic, the YouTube static. Then I'm going to press enter, and it's going to give me a script. So it says the script is designed to be atmospheric and slow burn, perfect for a faceless horror channel using stock footage, driving montages, or simple animations. So title, the Bluetooth static, and it's given me the running time and the tone. Obviously, if you want a different tone, you can add different things in to suggest that to Gemini, and have a read through. And if it's good, you can keep it. If not, you can add in a prompt. So say if I don't like the hook, I can say change the hook to be more scary, say. Change. So then Gemini will go on to change the hook and give you a different option. So you can go ahead and read through it. And again, if there's something you don't like, you can ask Gemini again to change certain areas of it and go from there. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.